Guys, I am so excited to tell you about the build kit at Pete and Pedro. So we get it, right? Grooming is complicated. Tons of different products. You don't know what you need, what you don't need, where to go to find the latest and greatest stuff. Well, you're in the right place, first of all. Pete and Pedro has amazing grooming products, but we got a ton of them, right? But the good news is that we have developed a customizable way for you to go through step by step and build yourself a custom grooming routine. We have taken all of the guesswork out of building a custom grooming routine. We walk you step by step through the process. You don't have to now go and shop around in all the different categories and like pick and choose and maybe that's right or this is right, gentlemen. No more. It is super fun and I think you guys are going to love it. We worked really hard on this because we knew that shopping and grooming is complicated, but not anymore. Guys, hit the link, give it a try. You are absolutely going to love the build kit. I'm telling you, it's a lot of fun. Even for me, I know what I love and I love doing it. Guys, it's a ton of fun and it's going to help take the guesswork out of looking, smelling, and feeling amazing.